Hello students, today we are going to talk about using articles with geographical names for the 10th grade. Before we start, let's start with the use of articles. We generally use the, which is the definite article before specific geographical names. Here we have some examples to cover. The first one, yesterday I went to the Dead Sea. The Dead Sea is a sea, is a name of a sea in Jordan. So we should know that before specific names of seas and oceans, we should use the definite article the. Here we are not supposed to say I went to Dead Sea. No, the correct one is to say I went to the, here, the Dead Sea. And as we know, because the Dead Sea is a name of a place or a specific point in the word, so we are going to write it with capital letter. The same thing here for the second example. The Nile is located in Egypt. Notice here, the Nile is a name of a specific point, which is referring to a name of a river, which is located in Egypt. So because the Nile is a name of a river, so we are going to use before Nile the. So it's wrong to say Nile is located in Egypt. The correct one is to say the Nile is located in Egypt. So before seas, oceans, rivers, and canals, we are supposed to use the definite article the. And the same thing here for the Sahara is in Africa. The Sahara, it's a name of a desert. So before deserts, specific names of deserts, we are supposed to use the definite article the. As we know, Sahara, it's located in Africa. For example number 4, the Andes can be located easily on any map. The Andes, they are ranges of mountain. They are not one mountain, they are more than one summit, like this one here, like this example. More than one summit. So when we have more than one summit, we are going to use the name of the mountain range, and we are going to use the definite article the. And the same thing here for number 5, example 5. I don't know the location of the Pacific Islands. If we are talking about any islands, we are going to put before this name or these islands, we are going to put the definite article the. So it's wrong to say here, I don't know the location of Pacific Islands. No, we are going to say the Pacific Islands. And the same thing here, if we have specific nouns or geographical names, we are not supposed to use the definite article. Here we have the opposite. We don't use the definite article before countries, like in Jordan. I'm not going to say in Jordan. Before streets, before lakes, mountain, towns, and cities. Like here the examples, I live in Jordan. I didn't say I live in the Jordan, because Jordan is a name of a country. And as we said, before countries, we don't put the. The same thing here. Amman Mountain is an old place. Amman Mountain is a name of mountain, one mountain, not more than one summit like in the Andes. The Andes was a range of mountains, but here just one summit. Like this, if we are going to draw it, it will be like this, or like this here. It will be a summit, one mountain. Zarqa, it's a name of a city. I'm not going to say that Zarqa is in the middle of Jordan. No, we are going to say Zarqa without the zero, which means these names of geographical places, we are going to say that we are going to have 0 articles. 0 article. And here for Tabria, which is Tabria Lake is in the north of Jordan. Tabria, it's a name of a lake which is located in Jordan. We didn't use here the. The same thing, 0 article. Rainbow Street it's a name of a street in Amman or in Jordan, we can say. So we didn't say the Rainbow Street is a busy place in Amman. No, we said Rainbow, zero article. And here the same thing, example for Amman, because it's a name of a city. But here we have some exceptions. We said before countries, we are not going to use the definite articles. But here the exception is telling us if I have like USA, UK, UAE, these are abbreviations, which means that we are going to use the definite article the. Why? Because the UK, they are two letters which abbreviate two words, which are the United Kingdom. So these are exceptions. If we see these things or these words, these names of countries, we are going to use before them the definite article the.